going to learn about Xamarin.Forms controls. So let's start. So first I'll add new XAML file in Xamarin.Forms project. Okay, controls Xamarin.Forms. Here XAML is created. So the first control we will see the label. Okay, so let's see how to add label in XAML. Okay, first I'll add stack layout. Okay, then label. So we use label to display text, okay, in mobile application. So label has text property to display text. Okay, label has text color property. Label has font attributes property. Using font attribute you can uh, set bold, italic. I'll set bold. You can change font size also. Medium, large, small. I'll set large. Okay, and you can set also horizontal and expand. Okay, let's run. Before run I'll change main page to controls Xamarin.Forms. Let's run. Okay, then we will see entry. Okay, entry is for user inputs. Okay, we can take input from user by using entry. So entry has a text property which you can directly set some inputs, or you can get some inputs by using text. Okay, and entry has placeholder. Okay, so you can give placeholder here, enter name. Okay, you can set text color also, you can set font attributes also, you can set font size also, medium, you can set. Okay, so let's check it out. Here it is, XAML entry. Okay, so next control we will see, that is button. Okay, button we are used for action. Okay, for click action, means user can perform action by clicking on button. Okay, so using text property you can set button text. Okay, so I'll give submit. You can change text color by using text color property. You can change background color by using background property. So I'll set here red. I'll set text color white. Okay, and horizontal option. So you can also define click event here, so that will be name code behind. Okay, so I'll show you display. Once user click on submit button, will show the alert. Here it is. Okay, so next control we will see image button. Why we are using image button? Image button is basically for showing image inside button. Okay, we can set image to image button. Okay, so by using source property you can set image. So I have like dot png image, set background color as a transparent. Okay, and you can set also click event here. So I'll copy and paste it. Okay, set horizontal options and expert. So in next video we will use these 4 control to create login page. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and like.